we're making a shredded leek topping. Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making a shredded leek topping. So hop on board and let's get cooking. First, we're going to spray our air fryer basket. We're going to set it aside. In a medium bowl, we're going to add in 4 cups of shredded leek. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil, half a tablespoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of spike seasoning, and some freshly ground black pepper. Gonna toss. Now we're going to place it in the air fryer. We're going to place it in the air fryer basket in a single layer. Depending on your basket, you may have to do it twice. And we place it in our air fryer. Put the lid on. Put the temperature to 380, and we cook it in the air fryer. After 5 minutes, remove the lid, toss. After 5 minutes, remove the lid. Oh, they're looking good. Cook it in the air fryer until it is done. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.